Hi, welcome to the Ignite Studio Soldering Safety Guide. My name's Daniel, and today I'll be going over all safety expectations for the soldering kit. You can find the soldering kit next to the toolboxes in front of the Fab Lab. With that, let's begin. The recommended protective equipment includes safety gloves, safety goggles, a smocker apron, and it's recommended that you wear a long sleeve shirt. Here are some things to keep in mind when using the soldering tools. Do not touch the soldering iron by the heating element, especially the tip. Don't allow the iron to come in contact with any plugs or electrical cords. Do not have any food or drinks in your working area. Make sure you have plenty of space to work with. Assume that the soldering iron is always on and always at the maximum heat. It's a good idea to wear long sleeve shirts, so while working, you can reduce the chance of serious burns. If you do happen to be burned with the soldering kit at all, there is a first aid kit in front of the Fab Lab area with burn cream. You can also request the assistance of a staff member to help you. And that's it for the soldering safety guide. Soldering is a lot of practice, making mistakes, and trial and error, but you should always make sure that your safety and protecting yourself is done right. For more information on our soldering kit, you should refer to the Ignite Studio blog on soldering. Happy making and good luck!